Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning to respected judges, teachers, and my fellow friends. Let me ask you a question. What do many students do before sleeping nowadays? Read a book? Revision? Prayer? No. Most of us are probably scrolling through TikTok saying, just one more video. But one video becomes 10 videos. And 10 videos becomes 1 hour. And suddenly, it is midnight. Our homework is unfinished. And our eyes are fighting to stay open. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I would like to speak about why reading is still cool in a scrolling world. Nowadays, many people think books are boring. They say reading is too slow. They prefer short videos and fast entertainments. But let me tell you something important. A video may entertain you for a few seconds, but a book can inspire you for a lifetime. The moment we open a book, we enter a whole new world. We can travel to space, explore the ocean, meet superheroes, solve mysteries, and learn amazing things, all without leaving our chair. My dear friends, reading is not an old habit. It is a powerful habit. Reading helps us improve our vocabulary, our spelling, and our speaking skills. It also improves our imagination and creativity. The more we read, the more knowledge we gain. That is why many successful people love reading. People like Bill Gates and Oprah Winfrey are known for reading books regularly. Why? Because readers become thinkers and thinkers become leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, social media give us information quickly. Swipe, swipe, swipe. But books teach us patience and focus. Reading trains our mind to think deeply instead of jumping from one short video to another. Sometimes we spend so much time online that we forget the joy of real learning and real imagination. When we read a story, our mind creates the picture. We imagine the characters. We feel their emotion, become part of the adventure. That is something very special. My dear friends, I am not saying TikTok is bad. Technology is useful and entertaining. We can learn many things from videos too. But we must learn balance. Spend less time scrolling and more time growing. A book may look simple from the outside, but inside it contains knowledge, dream, and inspiration. Before I end my speech, I would like everyone to remember one sentence. Reading is not boring. It is a superpower. Thank you very much.